It is Friday and the weekend is here. I just got back from seeing a client in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. And before that, I was in Philadelphia representing a client at a preliminary hearing. So it was a very busy day. It was a very busy week and looking forward to, unfortunately, a very, very busy weekend. It is the weekend. We do know that the majority of our calls do come in on the weekends, and that's why we make ourselves available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. I always give my weekend advice on Friday because if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, it's very important to understand how you should interact with the police officer because it really can set up your case for success or possible failure. So if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. Do not refuse that blood or breathalyzer test. It's never going to help your case. Just be cooperative with the officer, but do not consent to the search of your vehicle or the search of your person. The cooperation should end with just simply giving consent to take the chemical test, and that's it. If you give consent to search the car or search your person, you're negating your rights under Pennsylvania's Constitution or New Jersey's Constitution, as well as the U.S. Constitution. Now, understand that warrantless searches in Pennsylvania are no longer legal, but again, the officer can search the car. Do not get in his way if he or she wants to search the car. In New Jersey, warrantless searches are permissible, but again, do not get in the officer's way. Now is not the time to exercise your constitutional rights. If and when you are arrested, hire an attorney, and the best time to hire a lawyer is right after you're arrested. If you're in custody, reach out to your family, have them contact an attorney. We always make ourselves available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We've done bail hearings as early as 2 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday. It is not unusual. You never want to mess around with bail because if bail is set too high, while there are things that your criminal defense lawyer can do, it can sometimes take a few days, and those days you would be spending in custody, and no one ever wants to do that. With regards to legal guns and firearms, if you are traveling in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, keep in mind that Pennsylvania does have reciprocity with a number of states, but always check with your particular state to ensure that you have reciprocity with Pennsylvania. If you are in New Jersey, understand that New Jersey does not have reciprocity with any state, and to get a permit to carry in New Jersey, I've done a lot of articles on this, it is virtually impossible. Very few people have permits to carry in the Garden State. Finally, with regards to legal drugs and firearms, remember, if the police officer wants to search the car, do not give consent. Medical marijuana can still make you DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. If the officer asks if you've used drugs, if you've consumed alcohol, remember you are not required to give a response. Just simply be polite and be respectful, and just tell the officer, I'm going to give you my license and registration, and that's all I'm going to say. If he or she says I'm going to arrest you, let them arrest you, and then fight the case from there. So finally, once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com. We came out with our free weekly update today. We're up to over 3,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It is a great resource to have. You can sign up for it at GamboneLaw.com. We also share it on our social media, Facebook page, and our LinkedIn accounts. It is a great resource. We are very proud of it. And if you'd like to have it, you can sign up for it at the website, and it'll come to your inbox each and every Friday. We have not missed a Friday in over 6 years. I'm incredibly proud of that accomplishment. So once again, have a great weekend. If you get in trouble, give us a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. And I'll talk to you all very soon.